Welcome to the Employee Database Input module in uKnowva HRMS. Once your user roles are configured, the next step is to input your employee's database. This process begins with answering one simple question: how would you like to input your employee database? Start by choosing the Import Employees option. Start with the AI-powered Import tab for AI-based onboarding. Click on the Choose Your File field or the Browse button. Select your templatized CSV file, and the system will begin uploading for AI-powered assistance. A new page will appear where you can see the system automatically mapping your file's existing fields with the system's field to. The entire process happens in 3 core steps. The first tab, titled Upload, here shows you the fields that were matched and the ones that weren't. For each given field, you have options like Skip File to exclude this field from the final file, Change Field Name, which obviously helps you update the field's name. Map with Existing Field option lets you match the fields manually if in case the system is unable to find the perfect match. However, then you have to select a desired field from the drop-down menu of the given options. Or else, click on the Create New Field option. This opens a pop-up window where you can add a new field into the system. The details are the same which we learned in the Employee Data Fields tutorial video. Once you're done doing that, the system also prompts you with a message on the right side to show whether each field has been matched successfully or not for a quick review. After that, scroll the page and click on the Next button. It takes you to the Match tab. This tab lets you know the total count of the fields that were matched successfully. Also, this window lets you choose 4 options. First is to send welcome emails to new users. Second is to exclude existing users to avoid duplicacy. Next, you can check the Update Blank Values option to keep certain rows blank instead of getting updated with the default values. The last option here is Create New Designation, for allowing you to create new designations on the go while completing the mapping of the fields accurately. Move over the final step of processing when you click on the Process Users button. Or else, click Go Back to restart matching your file fields with system fields automatically. Want to try uploading a .csv file for bulk onboarding? Then switch over to the Legacy Import tab. Download the template by clicking the Download CSV Import Template File button to ensure the correct format. Make sure to include the mandatory headers like name, username, and email. Optionally, you can add fields like designation and reporting manager's username for detailed profiles. After preparing your file, click Choose File to upload it. Configure additional options, such as send welcome email to onboard employees with their login details, skip existing users to avoid duplicates, update blank values to fill missing profile fields, create new designations for roles not already defined. Once uploaded, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating successful import. Want to add employees into the system manually? Use the Onboard Employee option. The details are grouped into multiple tabs. First is the Account Information tab. Enter details like employee code, email ID, username, name, designation, role from the given options. Next, we have the Basic Information tab. Add basic details of an employee, such as your views on the organization, gender, date of birth, and blood group. Once done, move over to the next tab. That is the Personal Information tab. It includes fields like father's name, place of birth, marital status, Aadhaar number, and PAN number. Fill these on time to complete the new hire's personal details with complete accuracy for verification checks and maintaining compliance. Once done, head over to the next tab, that is Contact Information. It lets you record contact details like mobile number, address, state, city, country, an emergency contact person, and their phone number. These details help in reaching out to an employee or their immediate kin in case of emergencies like no call, no show for more than a stipulated period. The next tab is for Educational Information. It lets you add academic qualifications like graduation, year of passing graduation, certifications, co-curricular activities, or hobbies. Dive deeper in the new hire's employment details by adding certain pieces of information in this tab of Employment Information for research and analysis purposes. This tab includes fields like employee code, date of joining, employment status, default shift, notice period, confirmation date, department, company, and more. Let's move over to the next tab, that is Bank or PF Account Information. This one requires you to add details like bank name, bank account number, IFSC code, PF account number, and more. After that, switch to the Documents tab to upload relevant documents for the purpose of verifying a new hire's personal, education, and employment history. Certain tabs have the plus icon, which you click to upload more than a single document per employee. Similarly, you can press the bin icon if you've uploaded a wrong document or wish to replace an existing one with another. You can also add, delete, or edit existing or new fields in each of these tabs, as carefully explained in the second step of our DIY tutorial dedicated to setting up data fields and masters. That's it for this window. Check all the information once again and click Save to finalize or cancel to exit. Are you running short on time? Then, use the Quick Onboarding option to add an employee with just essential details. Fill in fields like EMP code series, email ID, and username. This option ensures you can onboard employees swiftly and update additional details later. The View Existing Employees option displays the database of all employees already added to the system. On this window titled as User Manager, you can search for specific employees by clicking the funnel icon, delete records if needed by clicking the bin icon, or the Delete button at the top of the window. Buttons like Import and Add New User take you back to the original page of importing new employee data or adding new users. Both sections have been explained previously. Click on the Export button to download either the user's documents or their lists onto your system for further processing. Click on the I button under the Action column in front of a desired employee name to view their profile detail in a new tab. This page also allows you to edit various profile fields and groups which have been explained previously. Now, find the Notify Users option. Click on it to send them a personalized email or notification for welcoming them to the organization. Reset the password of a user from this window when you can click on Reset Password under the column by the same name. Or else, click Skip if your employee data isn't ready. Once you have selected your desired action, click Confirm and proceed. Then the system will update the employee details accordingly. You can always return later by clicking Edit to start the process when your data is prepared. And that's it. With these 5 options, you can efficiently manage your employee database and ensure a smooth onboarding experience. Thanks for watching.